Joining us today is Aditya from Crypto India over there. Hi, Aditya, and welcome to CC. Now, much really to talk about when it comes to the metaverse universe, but I just want to start by dropping in the biggest news of the day here, and we let our viewers also watch. None other than Deepika Padukone has got into the metaverse bandwagon, right? And while our viewers sort of process that on how soon this is going to be You're in My Reality, just give us a sense of what exactly this means. You know, one of the key outcomes here, and I get this question very often, that, in fact, let me reverse it. NFTs, right? People keep thinking, what is this crazy valuation that NFTs hold? This actually is a perfect use case scenario for these NFTs.
Right. So if we look at metaverse, so as you clearly explained, like it is beautifully explained, and if you're into reading, you can read Snow Crash by Steven Nelson. And if you're into movies, you should definitely watch Ready Player One. So that will give you an idea if you are still not able to understand the entire concept of metaverse. So this is what is happening. As technology always keeps on evolving. There was a time where we were reading books and reading newspapers. Then we evolved. Now everything that we do, that is basically on a screen. So in future, 10 to 15 years, there will be a time where we'll not be looking at a screen, but we'll be inside a screen. And that is where all these NFTs come in. If you look at NFTs, you might have seen news people buying a JPEG or an image for $1 million. In real life, that does not make any sense. But in metaverse, it does make sense. Because just the way you buy you stuff in real life, in future, 10 to 15 years from now, or maybe 15 to 20 years from now, people will be buying stuff online and it will be digital NFTs.
But I just want to put this in perspective over here, and I'll request our producers to put out the Deepika Padukone sort of a metaverse drop that she's made as well. I don't know if that's what you call it, a drop maybe, or what exactly. It's just a teaser to tell us what exactly she's getting into. But Aditya, this is going to happen in your and my lifetime. This is going to be a reality.
Yeah, this is probably happening right now. I recently was exploring Oculus. So it's very fascinating, the things that you can do when you can interact with people, and that is what Facebook is also planning to do. There's one part of it where we have big tech giants who are building products around metaverse, and there is other part of it where we already have existing crypto projects where they are building NFTs. And all of this will eventually come together, because nowadays if you buy something online, if you even buy something in some game or any platform, it is owned by the company. But now we are moving towards an era where if you buy something, you need to own it. So that is where NFTs, cryptocurrencies, blockchain, Ethereum, all of this comes in. Where if you buy something online, you will have the private key for that item and you will completely own it.
Right, well, still so many things that boggle you about metaverse, but this is the conversation we'll keep having. Thanks, Aditya, for joining us on Coffee and Crypto.
Thank you so much.